2,000.
Yeah.
2,000 mahal nun. This shrine push so that you can, you know, guys, it's my English. Good morning, guys, or should I say, ohayou gozaimasu minasan. Ore no namae wa Norisu-chan desu. We're in Japan, bro! If you're not yet part of my channel, please subscribe. We're in Kyoto. Guys, huwag kayong maingay, huwag kayong maging kagaya kong crazy. May mapakita ko sa inyo. Look at this guy. I told you, he is very kind. He's my cousin. Siyempre, meron pa akong isang handsome cousin. And you know that yung marapaki Jorwin, I love you. No, siya ang aking taga-alalay and cameraman. I'm still not wearing jacket again. T-shirt, t-shirt. Ang temperature here is 13 degrees Celsius. Piyan nyo yung haba ng pila. And the time is 8:30. I thought walang traffic dito sa Japan. Meron pa rin. Oh my god, like Philippines. Check it out. This is so crazy. Akala ko in Philippines only lang yung siksikan natin sa bus. Sobra rin siksikan here in Japan. Oh, look at that. Pinapapasok tayo, bro. Sa loob, kahit ganyan kasigip. Sobrang sigip, bro.
I told you, bro.
Guys, Japanese told us. I'm sorry. The yellow line, kung nakikita nyo, yellow line, dapat makapasok tayo. Oh my god. Where are we going, bro?
Preliminary.
And then? Right? Alright.
Momai. Tapos?
Hindi siya makakita. Hindi siya. Malabo yung mata ni aking pinsan, Gerald. Yung mga gusto mag-travel here in Kyoto, meron ditong 600 yen. Hindi lang mura. Maiikot mo yung buong Kyoto ng just one ticket only. So, 200 plus to 30, 300 to 80. Mura lang naman. Kaysa mag-ano kayo dito ng 200 per bus, sasakay na kayo dito. Just ask anyone here in Japan. Kumuha rin kayo ng map. You're the man. Bro, huwag mo sabihin na papasok pa rin sila dito. We are now arrived. Dahil sa galing ni Gerald, nandun, layo na naman. Who likes takoyaki? Best, the best, my favorite. May sinasabi ang aking pinsan, street foods here in Japan. Sa Inari.
Meron yung barbecue dito ng pork na malaki na favorite ko.
Barbecue na pork na malaki na favorite ni Gerald. So tayo pumunta ulit. Oh, ito na yung sinabi ng aking pinsan yung anong name nito, bro?
Tokyo steak. Beef steak.
Beef steak barbecue. Tama? And 500 yen. Nasupo siya, mahal ah. What is guys said that?
Kobe beef.
Kobe beef? Kobe beef?
3,000.
3,000? What? What? Ah, 2,000.
Yeah.
2,000 mahal nun, bro.
Yeah, Kobe beef. Expensive.
Almost 1,000 pesos?
Expensive beef in Japan. Oh yeah.
Expensive beef in Japan.
Kobe.
I can believe it. Expensive barbecue in Japan. Ngayon ko lang narinig yun. 2,000 yen. 1,000 pesos. This is the Kobe cake, 2,000 yen. Thank you. Bro, tell me, where are we? Tell me.
Inari.
Kushimi Inari? Fushimi Inari. Fushimi Inari.
Dumplings.
Ah? Dumplings, dumplings. Sana payagan ako mag-camera dito kasi daming mga gwardiya, mga guard. Anyway, I'll still going to vlog kahit bawal. Let's go inside, bro. Hindi pa ito yung climax. He's my tour guide. Yung pinsan ko, medyo napapagod. Ngayon pala napapagod na sana. He just said, "Annyeonghaseyo, we are in Japan," and he's Japanese. It should be, "Ohayou gozaimasu." Lalakad siya dito hanggang dun. Mapapagod siya. Yo guys, and I want to shout out to my sister Noriko-chan, Okamoto. One of your dream place to go. Sunod pupunta tayo.
Ay, sasama kita dito kasi 'di ba hindi kita naisama last time.
Nasaan tayo, bro? Nasaan tayo, bro?
Fushimi Inari.
Fushimi Inari. Look at this. Welcome guys. We are now here. Yan na nagagawa na natin. napupuntahan na natin yung mga gym na lugar na pupuntahan na,
Actually,
na dapat. Okay, let's go here. We are now entering inside. Super haba. Ay, sumimasen. Nagulat sila. Nag-hapon ako, marunong ako mag-hapon. Cause I'm Japanese, bro. Pero ko, ikaw alalay ko, bro. Successful arrive inside in the middle. Are we in heaven, bro?
No, we're in Fushimi Inari, idiot.
On isang entrance.
Let's go inside.
Yung aking pinsan, iiwan doon dahil siya yung nagbabantay ng bag and hindi niya na kaya. Kasi sobrang haba yung aakyatin natin dito sa Fushimi Inari. Then, para sa inyo, I will tour this Fushimi Inari for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, and your family. Dito, vlog ko. Nakasama ko rin ang aking baby. Yun, sa mga ibang mga gustong sumama, please comment below. Then malay nyo, soon meron ako isasama sa inyo, kahit isa, dalawa sa aking vlog. Can you hear the sound of the birds? Feels good, smells good. Lah, di ko lang kung saan ako pupunta. Dito. Oh, dito sa likod. They are praying, man. So keep quiet, respect. I think we are in the middle of the mountain. Tinayo itong mga to. Itong beautiful thing in the middle of the mountain. Outside this wall, this shrine, ang daming puno. Yo, wag nyo gayahin to. Lumabas ako ng shrine. Oh, mukhang bawal yata dito maglakad. Lumabas ako dito sa shrine. So, well, shortcut. Ha? Mautak to, bro. Oh, look at those cute little thing. Ohayo. Ay, shashi yamete kudasai. I think she just said the camera is bad. They're so cute, bro. They just said stop filming. Stop filming. Baby, I'm so sorry. I'm a vlogger. I need to... Oh, I'm lost, bro. I'm lost. Who want to visit here in Fushimi Inari? I suggest don't bring big bags kasi hindi kayo makakakyat. Kasi ang layo-layo. Oh, thank you. Yung hapon sabi niya, thumbs up. Kaya iwanan nyo yung bag nyo sa station or whatsoever. Maraming pwedeng iwanan, pag-iwanan yung bag or sa hotel. I think cemetery. What the fuck, bro? Hindi lang shrine yung makikita nyo dito. One of the best view ever in my life. Guys, I will show it to you. Eh? Oh! Ang gandang view, bro. Sana meron na akong girlfriend. We're in this bell, big bell. I think maglalagay kaya ta ng ano, donation or something galing sa puso. You know? Okay? Wish success. Then I think pwede na tayo mag bell. Alright. Good, good. Oh, sabi ko na eh, parang ewan ko, parang sementeryo, I think. So, naliligaw yata ako, yo. Yeah. Yo, naliligaw ako, yo. Am I lost? Am I lost, bro? I don't want to come here kasi ang taas. Meron pa! We're in the top of this shrine. Fushimi Inari Shrine, yes. Those kids are very so cute. Oh my god. Pinapagalitan nila ako bawal na camera. But I need to vlog, guys. Maybe. Oh my god, bro. This is the view. Hey guys, please bring ang hawak ng camera nyo kasi ang hirap pag wala kang kasama pumunta at mag-vlog. Alam niyo yung camera ko, pinapatong ko lang dyan. My concern is you should bring tools for your camera, memory and battery. Sorry guys if my English is bad. Just starting vlogging and this is my first time really making a video. And just please comment below how to make my vlog more beautiful. I think I found something again. I suggest you come here, visit here in this shrine pag hindi season. Kasi pag pag season. Guys, okay. Please subscribe. Huwag kayong pupunta dito pag season. Kasi ang daming tao. So please come here na hindi season. Man. Wow, daming tao bro. And also, dito sa shrine, tandaan niyo po kung saan kayo lumabas at pumasok para hindi kayo maligaw. Promise, you'll get lost if you don't know where you came. We are in the temple. Ay, bawal mag-camera. I'm so sorry, respect Japan. Bawal mag-camera po dito. Kahit konti lang, bibigyan ko kayo na. Pray is also very important. Kahit saan lupalok ng mundo, always pray to God. I told you, put God first before anything else. That's Norris Jan. Please watch my vlog. And thank you again for always watching my weekly vlogs. I'll do my best for you. Sa mga first timer here in Japan, bring kayo. Kung maaari, meron kayong kasamang kasing galing niya at kasing gwapo niya. Kaya naman bro! Ha? Bakit ayaw mo halikan kita? Party ka na? Porkit magiging tatay ka na? Ha? This is also one of my favorite food in Japan. Crab bro, crab. Only 500 yen. Sa peso, 200 plus. Yeah. Number 1 in Kyoto. Let's try to eat Kani Nikubo. I think in English, crab barbecue, I don't know. Wow, so hot. Ini pa. Fushiminari, you can find this in Fushiminari, and number 1 daw dito na crab here in Kyoto. Sabi ni Kuya. Bro, parang may naisip akong idea. Kain tayo ng pinakamahal na barbecue dito sa Fushiminari Shrine. Ano masasabi mo bro? For the vlog, hindi lang para sa akin. Do you want me to eat the expensive barbecue here in Fushiminari? I think, yeah. Sobrang mahal. I will show it to you. Once in a lifetime. So, hindi ako magre-regret. 2,000 yen. Yun nga. Really? Really? Not uso? Not uso? Bro, that's the proof you visible. That's the proof guys na talagang 2,000 yen ang barbecue na to. Then yes please one. And I will going to try for you guys. Please try this too and sasabihin ko kung gaano kasarap o makakapayo tayo. Hindi ko alam 2,000 pesos. 1,000 pesos barbecue lang. Yeah, please subscribe. Yes. Bro. Guys, bihirang bumili yung mga tao na itong barbecue na to, yan ang niluluto. Nag-iisa lang, let's eat it. Sabi raw, please, bili po kayo. Please, bili po kayo. Sabi. Can you be... It's popular barbecue here in Kyoto. And also expensive fucking barbecue. I'm not kidding. 2,000 yen barbecue. Stuff in here. Smells good.
どうですか？
まあ美味しいです。いやまあ
がちょっと高いな。でも
sometimes try to buy even if it's expensive because you know minsan lang yan sa buhay kaya wag niyo nang ligpasin yun. Pre, mga ating ko, mga mahal sa buhay, ang sarap. We just tasted one of the expensive barbecue here in Kyoto. And sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Be part of this family. George Jan.